the primary ingredient? This is
Grape.
before.
Grape. Obrigado to Porto. Good morning and welcome back. This is day 4 in Porto. Today is our last day in Porto and we are all set to make the most of it. आज हम लोग एक city tour लेने वाले हैं. Either we'll take a group tour or we'll list out the places which are touristy like the cathedral, castles and then go there ourselves. This Airbnb was very centrally located. It's right across the Douro River and this area is called the Ribeira area. And San Bento is a very famous train station. वो भी यहाँ से 2 मिनट दूर था. So this is exactly where we are living. This is exactly where our Airbnb is, and it's quite accessible. So this is what we make sure whenever we are booking an Airbnb, it has to be centrally located so that we don't have to travel a lot to get to the main attractions. So really hungry. Let's go start our day with some nice breakfast. आज बहुत सनी है एंड आज ठंड भी नहीं है ज़्यादा, हवा भी नहीं चल रही है. The sun is bright and shiny today.
Really out today. It's so out today. The sun, it is just like moving about.
Today we are going to do a lot of walking since we are taking a city tour. So yeah, let's go and make the most out of our last day in Porto. Adrigaros. Hola amigo.
Obrigado, obrigado.
So we learned Hola amigo तो मेरे को आता था. Adrigados and bye को क्या बोला इसने? Bye बोला इसने अभी.
Puta de madre.
नहीं puta de madre क्या है? So today we are having our breakfast at the Garden Porto. Adrigados means thank you that you put the table for us. Adrigados. So done with our breakfast. It was a very nice meal. We had their pancakes, French toast. We had the fresh orange juice. That was the highlight for me. It was too good. So all in all, a good meal. पल्लवी, आज तो आपका favorite day है. Sightseeing, city walking tour. She loves it. Chalo, let's go and let's start the tour. So we've reached our first stop of the city tour and this is the beautiful church of Saint Ildefonso.
I'm feeling very still, and I think my station knows which way to go. So my wife, I love her very much.
Okay, church. The one we went to in Vienna was way more prettier and way more bigger also. Normal सा church था, nothing very special about it. छोटा सा museum भी था. But this church is really centrally located though. You can get a nice view of the entire city from here. So done with the church. Now we're headed to the pink. What is the tour called, guys?
To World of Wine and the Pink Palace tour. We're going to taste 5 different rosé wines.
Just rosé or all the wines?
Just rosé. Because that's why it's called Pink Palace.
Okay. And पता है new thing that there is another wine which is called a green wine. मेरे को लगता था सिर्फ red, white and rosé wines होती है. But there is another wine called the green wine. So since we're here, I'm definitely gonna try it and I'll let you know how it is. So we've reached the wine tasting place. It's called Taylor's. Before coming here, हमने इतने सारे videos देखे थे जहाँ पे if you look at Porto from a top, you see all the rooftops red. Like if some of you have been to Rajasthan, Jodhpur especially, वहाँ पे एक fort है, ऊपर से सारी city blue लगती है. तो similarly यहाँ पे सारी city red लगती है if you look at it from a top. This entire place is called the Cultural District, and यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें करने के लिए. There's the wine experience, there's the chocolate experience. So this is not the main wine tasting experience. The main wine tasting experience is at least 4-5 hours from the city, and it takes you the entire day, around 8 to 9 hours. They take you to a vineyard, and there you have to spend at least half a day to get the entire experience. Since we're short on time and we just had 4 days here, so पहले we were planning to do it, but बहुत लंबा है. सुबह उठ के पहले बोट से जाओ, विनियर्ड पहुँचो, फिर वहाँ पे वाइन एक्सपीरियंस करो, फिर वापस आओ. Then तुम कुछ और नहीं कर पाओगे उस पूरे दिन. So that's why we thought let's cut it short and take a short experience, but also do the wine experience. The houses have a red rooftop. Very beautiful. The first day when we came here, that's the Louis Bridge. We went there, we walked the entire bridge. उसके बाद हम नीचे गए थे, शाम को हमने walk करी थी वहाँ पे.
अब ना मेरी इसमें फोटो खींच दे.
बस Pallavi looks at me and she's always like मेरी यहाँ फोटो खींच दे, वहाँ फोटो खींच दे. But I love taking your pictures.
मैंने तो win.
Okay, so all photo sessions done. बहुत सारी pictures ले ली सबने. Now finally we are going inside to start our wine tour. I have really high expectations from this tour. I want to know कि wine कैसे बनती है, क्या उसके flavors होते हैं, and how to differentiate between two wines.
What is the primary ingredient?
Grape.
Before.
Grape.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is that what you're going to stick with?
Grape. Yes.
Grape and fruits.
Grapes, berries, yeah.
Grape
Fruits.
is
So
also
stay
fruit,
tuned,
by the way.
folks. We'll find out whether that's
And
true
you
or
also
not.
don't know.
No, I do.
Grape ही ना.
But I want you to be true.
So they've given us this pink color का band, and इसमें there are 5 attachments. So as we progress, they keep going to like taking it out, and this is the glass that they've given us. मैंने पीनी है मेरे को पांचों.
Welcome to the Pink Palace. We hope you enjoy this amazing experience. Before we get started, I need to highlight some palace rules. You should be holding a glass right now, which you must keep with you at all times.
All visitors were given a bracelet with 5 white detachable pins. Each pin is exchanged for a different rosé. Please give the pin to a member of the team at each of the tasting stations.
Rosé wine is produced from red grapes, just like red wine. Knowing that it is in the grape skin that we find the pigment of color, the longer the contact of the liquid with the skin.
सब अपने ग्लासेस लेके खड़े हैं, अभी तक किसी को वाइन मिली नहीं है.
In case of rosé wines, the contact is less prolonged. Depending on the contact time, we can obtain different shades of.
So which wine is this?
This is Val Obregón from the Valley.
Okay.
Has 13% of alcohol. This wine is the driest wine here in the museum. We start with dry and we end with sweet.
Oh, this was fun. बचपन में सेक्टर 80 में जो मैकडोनल्ड्स था वहाँ जो लोग बर्थडेज करते थे वहाँ पे भी ऐसा बॉल पूल था. So this was exactly like that. So the idea behind this was that normally जैसे वाइन बनती है बहुत सारे grapes होते हैं उसको अपने पैर से ferment करते हो, squish करते हो. So they wanted to give us the same experience. They couldn't do it with real grapes, so that's why they made this a pink ball pool.
Last wine of the tasting, it's called Croft Pink. It's a rosé porter, the first rosé porter that was ever produced. It's a wine from our company. It has 19.5% of alcohol and has cherry and raspberry notes.
So done with the wine experience. Now as soon as you exit the wine experience place, there's this restaurant with actual wine barrels. This is how the place looks. So just getting something to eat because this wine tour के बाद सब लोग थक गए थे बहुत. And especially after that pink ball pool, everybody got tired. So we're enjoying some nice wine and we just ordered something to eat and we're going to enjoy this view.
Filo de puta, puta de madre. Filo de puta is puta de madre is.
I can also do a margarita. Just enjoying lunch and overseeing the Porto view. So after the wine tour, we've reached their palace, which is called Palacio da Bolsa. That's how it looks. So last night we ended our night somewhere behind. We had dinner there. Let's go inside. Wake up, Tanvi, wake up. So अभी तो यहाँ पे एंट्री नहीं है. The next slot is available at 4:45. अभी 4 बज रहे हैं. So either we wait 45 minutes or we do something else.
नीनू करते हैं नीनू.
In the park?
In the park.
हाँ वो हैरी पॉटर लाइब्रेरी चलते हैं.
Or go to the Harry Potter library.
Yeah,
But by the way, that theory is defunct now. J.K. Rowling has clarified that she never had that break at that library. So abhi, as I said, 4:45 is the next tour. Abhi 4 baje hain. So we have 45 minutes to kill. Either we skip this palace tour because मतलब यूरोप में हम पहले भी पैलेस जा चुके हैं. It's all the same from the inside. And यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही cute सा garden है. We can also sit here. And I spotted a bolt. So I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get that and roam around. So I found a bolt that works. So let's go. So I just got myself a bolt and मैं इन लोग को ढूंढ रहा था. यहाँ पे मेरे को ये पार्क में ये लोग ऐसे लेटे हुए पड़े मिले हैं. क्या हो गया गाइस? लगता है इन लोग को रिवाइव करना पड़ेगा. उठ जाओ. Let's go. Wake up. I think इन सब की बैटरी डेड हो चुकी है. But I have a bolt, so let's go and explore the city now.
I have more.
So done with the bolt ride. Now we're sitting across the river market. That's their park. That's where everybody else is sitting. Shubhambi and I are here to get something to eat. We found a nice spot by the river market. So that's the river market. It's like a local market. It has like local stuff, like jewelry, clothes and all of those things. And it has like a very nice park over here. So everybody's sitting here enjoying their lunch or picnic or whatever. Not enjoying our beer. Cheers. I think we're going to be here for some time and then head to the Louis Bridge because Satyam Tanvi ne abhi tak Louis Bridge dekha nahi hai. And today is our last day in Porto. So stay tuned.
Went to the Pim's restaurant. Pim's, as you all know, is a wonderful liqueur. So you would think that if the restaurant is named Pim's, they would have Pim's. But guess what? They didn't. They said that they'd run out of Pim's. Yeah. So then we had to have beer, which was like, yeah.
अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? तन्वी, आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
अब हम we are taking a walk by riverside.
सत्यम, अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
अब हम कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं.
अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
हम जा रहे हैं रेस्टोरेंट, शराब पीने, फिरने, खाना खाने.
So I think after the wine tour, everybody is a little tipsy. walking and trying to find a nice spot by the river. By the way, this is the other side of the river. Day 2 mein we were sitting at one of those restaurants over there. One of the restaurants over here. And we were looking at this side of the river. And we were planning कि हम इस side आएंगे. This looks really lively. वहाँ से काफ़ी better है. वहाँ पे थोड़ा quiet scene था. But यहाँ पे it's like the streets are more lively. Every nook and corner is buzzing. Something is happening. People are chilling. This is definitely more vibrant than the other side. Pallavi, how did you like Porto?
Very pretty.
Are we gonna come back?
Yeah, but there's so many other things to do, I feel.
We're about to try their pastel de nata, which is one of their most famous desserts. It's like that sweet quiche. Pastel de nata. It's called the pastel de nata. Sweet quiche filled with custard, vanilla custard. Let's try this.
Like a salted caramel. In a pot. One single spoon. Okay. How's it?
Nothing about like wow. I think this is not very fresh. ज़्यादा fresh नहीं है.
You used to have it from that place.
How is it? Like a sweet quiche with vanilla custard type, no?
Yeah, it's like a little eggy also.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place.
Okay, so this is the last sunset that we enjoyed in Porto, and Porto has been really beautiful. I am definitely going to recommend it to everybody. If you guys are planning a trip to Portugal, definitely include Porto in your itinerary. Obrigado to Porto. Porto has been
such a lovely time.
yeah. Porto has given us such lovely memories, such scenic views, and we've enjoyed every bit of it. Just sinking in the last sunset at Porto. This is our last night in Portugal. Sorry, this is our last night in Porto. Tomorrow we're headed to Albufeira. And Albufeira is the southernmost part. We're excited about that.
Close to Algarve and Lagos.
Yeah. So we'll finish this wine and catch the last views of Porto. And see you soon.
Awake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky.